Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class C Motorhomes. Today we're going to talk about how to operate your dual AC system that runs off a power control system. This is available on some of our longer floor plans. Please refer to forestriverinc.com to see which floor plans can be optioned with these dual ACs. To operate, you'd want to obviously be plugged in because you need 110 power for your ACs. If you can't be plugged in, you can turn your generator on here. From there, you'd want to turn the thermostat that's in your living area on first. So you can go one click and you go to AC, 2 clicks to your heat pump. Either one will work through those roof ACs. And when you do so, turn this one on first, you'll hear the compressor come on, and then you'll want to go back and turn your second AC on. Now when they're both running, that's when your power control system kicks in. It's going to shed the 110 power to your convection microwave oven and your water heater. You can still use those items. It will manage that power for you. So let's say you put popcorn in the microwave for 2 minutes. The system will sense that the microwave is running. It'll kick off the compressor to the rear AC to give you the power to run the microwave. When that popcorn is done, it'll automatically kick that rear compressor back on. So you don't have to manage the power. The system does it for you once you have both ACs running.